Google Drive Product Reviews. Google Drive is a cloud-based storage and collaboration platform developed by Google. The platform allows users to store and share files, as well as collaborate on projects and documents in real time. Google Drive has gained widespread popularity for its ease of use and integration with other Google services, such as Google Docs and Google Sheets. One of the key benefits of Google Drive is its ease of use and accessibility. The platform can be accessed from any device with an internet connection, making it a convenient tool for users who need to access and share files on the go. Additionally, the platform includes a range of tools and features for organizing and managing files, making it easy to find and access the information that users need. Another benefit of Google Drive is its collaboration features. The platform allows users to share files and collaborate on projects in real time, making it a valuable tool for teams and organizations. Additionally, the platform includes a range of tools and features for commenting and reviewing documents, improving overall communication and collaboration. Google Drive also includes a range of security features and tools to ensure the protection of sensitive data. The platform includes advanced encryption and access controls, as well as tools for threat detection and response. This makes it a valuable tool for businesses and organizations that handle sensitive data and want to ensure the highest level of security. However, there are also potential limitations and challenges associated with the use of Google Drive. One potential limitation is the need for an internet connection to access and use the platform. This can be a barrier for users who do not have reliable access to the internet, particularly in areas with limited connectivity. Another potential limitation is the potential for security concerns related to the use of cloud-based storage solutions. While Google Drive includes a range of security features and tools, there is still a risk of sensitive data being exposed or misused, particularly in the event of a data breach or cyber attack. In conclusion, Google Drive is a powerful and versatile cloud-based storage and collaboration platform that offers a range of benefits for users and organizations. Its ease of use and accessibility, collaboration features, and security tools make it a valuable tool for a variety of applications. However, the need for an internet connection and potential security concerns may be limitations for some users. Overall, Google Drive remains a leading cloud storage solution and a worthwhile investment for businesses and organizations looking to improve collaboration and productivity. Another benefit of Google Drive is its integration with other Google services. The platform seamlessly integrates with other Google applications, such as Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides, allowing for easy collaboration on documents and projects. Additionally, the platform includes a range of third-party integrations, making it possible to customize and extend the functionality of the platform to meet the specific needs and requirements of different users and organizations. Google Drive also includes a range of tools and features for data visualization and analysis. The platform can be used to create interactive charts and graphs, allowing users to easily visualize and understand complex data sets. Additionally, the platform includes advanced analytics capabilities, such as machine learning and predictive modeling, that can provide insights and recommendations based on historical data. Another potential benefit of Google Drive is its affordability. The platform offers a range of pricing options, including a free tier with limited storage and features, making it accessible to businesses and organizations of all sizes.